Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Xiaomi 13T Pro, and let me share with you how to enable the Google backup on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and then we have to scroll if you're not at the top of the list and tap on About Phone. Now let's tap on Backup and Restore and scroll down to find the Google Backup section. As you can see, the backup account is not currently added, so we have to do it. Let's tap on this section and make sure that you've got the internet connection. It is required. Here we can either create a new account if you do not have your own yet, or simply type your email or phone. So let me do it. And just a quick disclaimer, you do not have to enter the full email address, just the very first part of it before the @ symbol, because after tapping on next your device will autofill it. Right here we have to enter the password, and let me do this out of the screen. Alright, good, let's tap on next. Here we've got Google Terms of Service and Privacy Policy, so of course you can read it, just tap on it, and here you've got the info. Let's tap on Agree after reading. And here we've got the information about the backup and storage info. However, whenever we will tap on Accept, we should have this section. And as you can see, we've got more information, so you're able to use 15 GB of the Google account to back up apps and apps data, call history, contacts, device settings, and text messages. Of course, you can tap on more details to learn more. Your device will back up the data automatically, store it securely, and you can manage it whenever you want to. So just tap on Turn On. And as you can see, we just successfully added our Google account to this device, to this backup section. So from now on, your device will store the data right there. What is more, here you've got the option Automatic Restore, so whenever you will reinstall an app, your device will restore backed up settings and data. It's up to you if you want to use this option or not. And I forgot to say at the very beginning of this video, if you've got your Google account currently added to the device before actually enabling the backup option, you won't have to go through the whole operation of adding it again. You will be able to simply pick it from the list because it will automatically appear there. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.